let's unbox the freshly launched edition of SoundPeats lineup, the Air5 Pro. Now, other than the Apple earbuds, this is the only other company that I rock with as far as earbuds. I don't care what type of product you unboxing, there's nothing more exciting than taking off the plastic. Now let's open this bad boy up so we can hold these earbuds for the first time. We got some more plastic that we gotta take off, which is always welcome. Now these bad boys represent the name very well, Air, because they feel extremely light and they kind of have like a AirPod Pro type build, but they extend out a little bit to fit better in your ear canal. Now I really love this design. I love the logo, and that little pattern that you see is also a grip. Makes it very easy to grip these bad boys so you don't have to worry about dropping them as easy. Even inside the stem that people can't see when you're wearing them, you have things going on. You have text there that says, hear the difference. As far as the case, you got the SoundPeats logo, you got your USB-C and a reset button. As far as the size of the case, it's like a mid-size case. It's not really big, but it's not really small. You won't have any problems throwing this in your pocket. Now let's see what else they included. These little compartments, people can easily forget about these. I used to do that where I'll be like, they didn't give this, but a lot of times it's here. You got 2 additional size ear tips. I don't go too much into fitment because everybody's ears are different. In the other compartment, you got your USB, the USB-C. This thing is really short. I can't imagine anyone actually using this. Now let's talk about the sound. These bad boys get loud. They are very heavy on the low end. They got nice bass. They got very well balanced mids and a slightly boosted treble to balance off the overall sound. These bad boys are packed with lossless audio and Snapdragon sound. It is so much to mention with these. They also support Ldac. Now, if you download the Peats audio app, these earbuds are stacked with features. You got transparency mode. You got a gaming mode that you can turn on and off for low latency. You got noise cancellation, and in noise cancellation, you got more settings. You got adaptive noise cancellation, indoor noise cancellation, outdoor noise cancellation, and a traffic mode so you don't get hit by cars. You can also customize presets or use their built-in presets. I don't think you're gonna need the bass boost in these at all. We have to talk about the quality of the noise cancellation in these. They are really good. They do an amazing job at blocking out your surroundings. Definitely gives me AirPod Pro vibes. You also have customizable touch controls that you can use to activate Siri, pause and play media, answer and hang up phone calls.
All right, this is what the microphone sounds like on the Air5 Pro. I am outside, it's raining a little bit, so we can test and see how good this microphone is. Normally on SoundPeats products, I never have an issue. And obviously, it's not going to sound as good as it will in person because I'm recording this secondhand.
As far as the battery life, you're getting 37 hours on the case and 7.5 hours of playtime per charge. Now, I have tested their claims that were accurate on other models, but I'm not going to do that on these. And another really good feature that we cannot leave out, these bad boys have their own built-in Find My, which is extremely important because it doesn't matter how good your earbuds are if you can't find them. In conclusion, I like the SoundPeats Air5 Pro a lot. They sound amazing, and even if you don't like the sound, you can completely customize the EQ. They are priced competitively, and I don't think anybody will purchase these bad boys and be disappointed. Also, I have a discount link below if you do decide to pick these bad boys up. But that's all I got for you for now. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.